Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video. I won't be making, this is my custom Fredbear's map, which does use illegal add-ons. Again, they're temporary uses until the FNAF mod comes out, or a Bedrock edition for Management Wanted comes out. Again, this is temporary, so don't get mad at me. But I've made some of the interior and some of the exterior. The main part will be the exterior, which, as you can see, I went all out for this front building. I had some trash, some presents, seats, and my game's lagging. Yeah. I went all out for the front. The sides will have decorations too. I just haven't gone around to using it. Also, if you're wondering why this looks weird from up here, it's because I couldn't figure out how to get it like that roundabout thing, like that full circle thing. So I had to improvise, but you can't really even see it from below anyway. These are actually a new touch. There used to be smooth stone slabs up there, and it's like, now it's just that. Also, I really like the FNAF Manager Wanted sign. That's why I mostly use illegal mod ports, is because they add decorations and stuff to it, and I like the textures of it. But as you can see, I did kind of a replica for the what's it called again? MCM posters that had like the light above it. They didn't have one for Fredbear Spring Bonnie, so I had to improvise again. In here we have the not yet decorated main entrance. You buy, not really buy, but get reserved here. Actually, I might add like a lectern here for like a waitress guy or whatever. But they both lead the same direction. The reason why I like having the sort of arches, like the arch main room, I usually do that because it's out of habit, and I really like that design. We have the Fredbear cutout. I almost said poster. Spring Bonnie cutout. We have the men's and women's restroom, because I didn't know where else to put them. Some booths, some party tables. These lights will be able to turn on once I actually set it up. I will probably leave a picture of the main add-ons I use. I'll probably put up a picture right now if I'm editing it. If I'm not, then whatever. Got most of the backstage up, so I need to do the floor. But what I'm doing first is decorating the main room, and then decorating the entrance. But there is nothing inside both of these rooms. Over here, I was thinking like maybe, like Spring Foxy, because I know in one of my add-ons that has a golden Foxy, so might be Spring Foxy, might not. If that one, if I'm deciding that this will be Spring Foxy, which I probably am, Puppet's gonna be in here. This will be like a small arcade area. I will put a sorry I had to order sign. Over here. This will actually be a small dent. Not like dent, but like small little cubby area for the supply closet. Again, it's like sort of like FNAF 1. So, office. Storage room, probably. Another hallway with an exit. Kitchen. And then back to the backstage. Either way, all this comes around in full force. Obviously, I laid it out first. I decided to do the exterior first, instead of just doing the interior first and then the exterior. So then I got a rough shape. I saw on one of my Discords, I don't own the servers. On one of my Discord servers that I am joined in, some person added an arch right here, which I thought looked really nice. That's what inspired me to do this little arch, or little half circle, whatever. Hopefully you all like the front. Again, sorry for using illegal mod ports. If the FNAF mod sees this, I do not condone illegal mod ports, but sometimes I just want to use the decorations and I can't get it, so I have to resort to using illegal mod ports. But, yeah. That's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you all like the front area. And then I will get to the sides, don't worry. But there will also be a small parking lot. Again, look up here. It's kind of smaller than my usual locations. This is what it looks like from above, by the way. I'm just realizing that. I might extend this to up here, but probably not. So, anyways, this is a very short video. Bye.